Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Smith. I'm here with some of my favorite people. What's your name?
Dylan.
This is Dylan, and this is?
Hatsalina. Hudson.
I call him Hudsalina sometimes, but this is Hudson. And we're really excited because I want to share with you something that came in the mail a few days ago. And we're going to be taking a look at it every day. So there's a really great company. It's called insectlore.com. And they have different kits for different insects, specifically these caterpillars that will take care of and watch and have them grow. And eventually they'll turn into butterflies and we'll let them go. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought we would do a little unboxing here. Now we've already opened this because these are live insects and we had to make sure that we got them where they needed to go. So actually in here, if you want to zoom into this, in here there are 5 caterpillars. Now I'm going to ask you guys some questions. So Dylan, when we first got these 5 caterpillars, how did they look? Did they look
They're
like this?
They're like this.
Okay, I'll talk to you. How did the caterpillars look? They were smaller than this. And I know that at first the boys were wondering, like, what is that? What's that stuff all over the place? They actually thought it might have been something else. But it's their food. It comes with the food inside of this container. There's really nothing that we had to do.
What about the black?
The black is just like little black balls in there. I guess it's just more pieces of their food. So
Who doesn't black?
the caterpillars are eating the food, and when they get really, really full, they're going to be climbing up to the top, which you can kind of see. I don't know if I put it here. Can you see that? They're going to eventually climb up to the top, and something different is going to happen. And I will show you that too.
I know what's going to happen.
What?
They're going to turn into a butterfly.
Just like that?
No, they're going to make a chrysalis, then turn into a butterfly.
Oh, well, let's see. That is a really good prediction.
Wait 5 days, and after 5 days, they're going to turn into, after 5 days,
That's Granny.
they're going to turn into butterflies.
All right, well, let's see. That's a really good prediction. Let's see what else came with the kit. So, what is this, Dylan? Can you tell us what this is?
This is a butterfly container, and I also like to do this with it.
It's very springy.
Wait, stop. Boing.
Whoa. But do you want to do that when the caterpillars are in there, when the chrysalis is in there?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to do that when they're inside of there?
Mm-hmm.
Or is that not safe?
Yes, the chrysalis is.
Oh, no. You can't do that with any living creatures in there. That's not safe.
No.
So,
Yeah, even though they're on the chrysalis,
they could get hurt.
can fall.
Yeah, they could really get hurt. So it's okay. You could do that now, but not once we put the insects in there. Okay. So Hudson, do you think you can open up the container, the box?
How do you open this?
You just lift this here. Lift that. Oh, it says "Happy Growing" from insectlore.com.
This is their drinking place.
So there's something you can do there. Wait, one at a time. One at a time. Go ahead.
And
Go. Keep doing there.
this is like if they want to like land here or something.
Yeah. You're gonna do this one. Just
And
sit
this
tight.
is
Sit tight.
like
Give
a
yourself.
little decoration.
Just wait.
I want
You'll get it.
I'm not sure what these are.
That's sugar. And the sugar is going to get mixed with water, and then you're going to take a dropper, and you're going to...
Okay.
Yeah, dropper.
And we have some-
No, Dylan's going to do this part.
Okay, decorate.
I'm just going to show this. This is my butterfly observation journal. And inside of this, we should have been doing this the last few days. You're going to do that next. You have to be patient though, right? You want to hold it until it's your turn? Okay, don't take any more, please. I have to, look at me. You're going to do all of them, okay? So every day you draw a picture of what you see, what you observe. Here's a life cycle of a butterfly.
I actually don't want this. I want the butterfly.
And there are just lots of different pages. I will post these different things in our classroom so that we could see it. This one's really cool. It's a symmetry lesson. You have to try to draw the other side of it. But there are a whole bunch of other really fun activities, connect the dots, and then a place to write about what's happening. Now, we're gonna do this together. The first thing we're gonna do today is take a look at what's in the kit and see what our butterflies are doing. So, Dylan, I would like you to tell us what we have here. What stage? These are the stages of the butterfly, okay? What is this here?
Inchworm.
Not an inchworm.
Bug.
Caterpillar. Caterpillar. So can you hold it up so that we can see that? And does that look familiar to you? Here, let's turn it this way. This might look like a caterpillar that you know from a story. Do you know? The very hungry. Egg. So egg, caterpillar. Then what? Is it a butterfly or a chrysalis? Chrysalis. Then butterfly. You could hold this. And then we can make kind of a circle with this, right? Because then it goes around again.
And then they fly to Mexico, then they lay down and it gets, are they, is it really cold? I'll show you something. It gets really cold, they die, and then and then their babies go, and then so it's like this. So then this butterfly dies, and then it starts all over again.
Yeah.
Egg.
Well, before the butterfly dies, it lays.
And lays it, and then it's egg, and then it's a caterpillar. Then it's chrysalis, and then it goes on and on and on and on.
It's the circle of life. All right, so this is our butterfly kit here, and we're so glad that you could see it. And we're gonna take another look tomorrow and see how it goes. I might take a picture or a video, but they're doing a great job. They're looking really good, and they're getting bigger and thicker every day. And if you have any questions or if there's anything more you want to know, let me know. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you. You want to say goodbye to everybody?
Peace out. Blah, blah, blah.
Nope. 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 That's not. We just say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye, everybody.